What up, my cool cats? This is Scaredy Cat here, and we are back to playing Little Nightmares. So, I haven't played this in a little while. I'm literally just getting back to exactly where we left off last time. So, I just hit the button, let it start grinding up, and, it's chilling out over there. So, yeah. Not sure what's going on there. Uh-oh. He actually sees me already. It's a little awkward. Can you get me under here? Anyway. Yeah, it's been a little while since I continued playing. Yeah. Oh, that was supposed to be a distraction. My bad. I hope he doesn't come back in here. Oh, of course he is. So yeah, it's been a little while since I played. Okay, man. You, some cough drops there. I was supposed to get that key. Yeah, so it's been a little while since I played. It's been a little while since I actually played anything at all. But, yeah, I missed a lot. And, I forgot how to run. There we go. So, yeah, it's been a little while since I played anything. And, yeah, I miss playing this kind of stuff, so I decided to pick something. Okay, he sees me. Yeah, I miss playing this kind of stuff. Decided to pick something a little more simple, just because of the fact that, yeah, I wanted to talk a bit, because, yeah, haven't really been up to anything interesting. I'm like learning the, is there an entrance there? I'm learning the, don't go back downstairs, please. Learning the controls again. And yeah, so. Legitimately nothing new. Oh, crap. There we go. I should probably run and hide in that room next door. I hope I can hide here. Oh, cool. Of course not. Oh, well, this is stressful. Oh, God. In there. Okay. So, anyway, yeah, nothing new exciting. Haven't been back to Outlast, which I miss Outlast. Hang on, that sound is super annoying. Haven't been back to Outlast. I miss Outlast quite a bit. I'll get back to it eventually, for sure. Because, it's been way too long. And yeah, I miss that kind of stuff. I miss the spooks, you know? Spoopy stuff. Am I supposed to go in there? Huh. Yeah! Alright. What's up, Blocky? Is that a plunger? Can I have the plunger? I guess not. Oh, right, I have it. I have a thing. Oh, right, I gotta break these for some reason. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, continuing on. Like I said, nothing. Was I supposed to go down here? You think that plunger would be something? Maybe I wasn't supposed to go down here. Oh, I can climb this. Oh, I see where I'm going. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta play me some Outlast. I've been watching, well, I was thinking about playing Prey. Because I'm like, oh, that game's super badass. I was doing dishes. You can do my dishes, man. He used too much soap. Oh, there's 2 of them. That's cool. Can I play in the soap? Whoop. Okay, well that's not... Bubbles. Yeah, I was thinking about playing Prey, but... It kind of reminds me a lot of BioShock. Which... Is there a crate there? I mean a grate? Yeah, there's a crate. Well, that's just great. Ah. Ooh. Uh-oh. There we go. But yeah, I don't feel like I'd be good at that game. So I'm just like, I'll just watch the more skilled Let's Players play. You know? So I've just been watching good old Markiplier play. Just gotta love Mark, you know? And yeah, other than that, it's just, oh. Wow. That's noisy. Yeah, then that's been... Guessing I have to switch this. Don't shut that off, man. I feel like I have to climb something up there and hold on to that and go throw into that room. I like how they have the fat trumpets, you know? Like from Family Guy. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, my suspicion is right. Oh, don't step on that. Okay, so... Where's that? Okay, that's from somewhere there. I need to get up there, maybe? How does this work? That goes in a circle. I'm confused. Where's that go? Oh, okay, it doesn't go in a circle. Whoa. Okay, I gotta climb dishes, don't I? Uh-oh. Can I climb that? No? I was like pretty sure that I had to climb that. I like how the bubbles get stuck. Oh, I gotta climb there, okay. I like that they do dishes. That's awfully kind of them. Some of these are gonna fall, I just know it. It's always how it works. There we go. Huh. Ooh, there's a lamp over there. I gotta light that. Heh. Well... That didn't work out so well. Oh, crap. Are you kidding me? God damn it. I gotta go through all that again. Okay, well, forget the lamp. I don't know how big of a deal the lamps are. So, tomorrow I might go see Wonder Woman. That probably dates this episode, but whatever. Yeah. Gonna go watch Wonder Woman with some friends. That's right, I have friends. I mean, I pay them to be my friends, but still counts. Just kidding. I kind of want to go for that lamp, though, man. You know? So I'm just like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nope. Okay, well, I kind of deserve that. It's all good. That was dumb of me. I don't think I'm gonna go for that lamp thingy. Waking up in a pile of trash. Been there, done that. I finally figured out what was wrong with my audio. Because in the last episode of Outlast, there's no audio, which I was really upset for, because there's some really good jump scares. I'm just like, oh, this is going to be great, but... yeah, nah, didn't work out. I hope I don't have to... son of a bitch. I have to go back and hit that button again. Okay. Well, I learned something. What did I learn? Screw that freaking lamp thing. What was I saying? Yeah, the audio had messed up in my last episode of... crap. I've been paying attention to how long this episode is going to be. Oh. I'll just play for whenever. Okay. Can you see me? Yeah. Oh. You're gonna come look for me? Like I smell raincoat. I think I named her May. Come on, May. Let's crap. Let's continue this this adventure. There we go. Yeah, so tomorrow I might go see Wonder Woman. I hope it's good. There's so much new stuff I wanted to talk about, and then I completely spaced out. Oh yeah, I learned a thing. This is really dumb, but like, I learned how to do that noise with my mouth. That's my new talent. Yeah. I've always wondered how people did that, and then I was watching a random video in which somebody did that, and I'm like, cool, I want to learn to do that. So I did. I didn't like Google YouTube videos or anything. I'm not that much of a loser, like, you know. Like the time I tried to learn to roll my R's. I can't roll my R's whatsoever. Like, it's horrible. Like, literally, I'm like, let's see, what's an R word? Roll. Yeah, that's the best I got. That's literally me trying to roll my R's. What the hell, man? Climb up. Yep. It's about as good as it gets. Let's see. I'm not jumping until he leaves. I learned my lesson. Should I go back for that lamp? Do the lamps make a difference? I'm gonna skip the lamp. What do you think, May? Yeah, that's what I thought. Can you hurry up and fix your sink, man? Call a plumber. Oh, excuse you. Okay. Okay, now I'm tempted. I'm like, oh, I can totally make this. Yes! Oh, yeah. There we go. Now I can grab on here, right? No. I really hope I don't miss this. Son of a bitch. Oh well. This part's easy. At least I got the lamp. It's okay. There we go. Come on. Come on, May. Whoop. No parkour for you. I wish I knew how to parkour. I've got cherry coke today. I know that's not very interesting to most, but I love me some cherry coke. I'm a man who loves me some cherry Coke. It's like that episode, Family Guy. I'm a man who loves my taffy. Taffy. Something like that. Okay. Okay. And... yeah! Dun 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 dun. If this were Assassin's Creed, I could totally, like, jump right on them. Oh, they see me. Oh, that's cool. Too bad I couldn't kick the plates down. Where are they going? Uh-oh. Oh, I hope they don't hit the button. Oh, hey. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, you see them skills. Yeah, you wish, mate. You wish. Uh-oh. Oh, son of a bitch. I really hope it loads from there. God damn it. I guess this is a running scene. Uh-oh, I forgot how to run. God damn, I hit the wrong button. Okay, that's my fault right there. Maybe they just want me as a pet. I still wonder, like what the hell is going on in this, you know? And... wah! Oh, yes! Yes! Take that! I would laugh if they threw a bottle on it, like cracked me in the back of the head and I fell. I mean, that's kind of dark, but I just thought it was kind of funny. Oh. Don't fall. I have a bad habit. Oh, I got an achievement called The Kitchen. Celebration. Cherry Coke. Yeah. I've legitimately been doing that all day. I should probably make sure that I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, cool. Okay. Run, May, run. Like a little bunny. Uh-oh. I almost fell off the ledge there. Oh my god. My depth perception really sucked. Okay, we're still good. So I watched a really weird movie a while back. That helps out. Yeah, I'm not really gonna mention much about it. It was really weird. That's all I'm gonna say. I mean, it was about as weird as on par as Bunny the Killer thing, if not worse. Because this was a lot more low budget than that, which is pretty insane. Actually, Bunny the Killer thing was pretty funny. So I wonder who the hell May is, you know? Like, what's her story? I don't think she's human. I like the way she goes up ladders. She's like, na 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 na. She like has a groove. Breaking it down. Oh, hello. Cool. I like this. Should I go in the water? No, probably not. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at the waves against the ship. That is so cool. I've been on a ship the entire time. I got an itchy eye. Okay, I'm good. Have you guys ever been on a ship? I was on a ferry once. She told me to get off. Get it? I don't. Anyway. No, but I was on a ferry once. Look how tiny I am. Why is everyone so big? I wonder who the next enemy will be. I wonder if it'll be like... I bet Batman could handle this. That looks like something. Just gonna ignore that. Ooh. Okay, let's not fall off the ledge like I always do. Oh, look! They look like people from Despicable Me, don't they? Ooh. Oh. I held that one in. But yeah, they look like they should be from Despicable Me. They're kind of chubby and adorable. I feel like those people are good. Yeah, we've really gotten, like, no story as to what's going on here. Oh, excuse me. And use them muscles. There we go. I hope we don't have to... Oh, that was close. Use my little lighter. There we go. Oh, look at that. Grandma? No, that's mean. My grandma was pretty awesome. But look at them. They're like grandmas and grandpas. Look at that guy with the cheeks. Look at the guy behind him. Oh, that's a mustache. No, that's cheeks. They have weird cheeks. Ooh, who's that pretty mama? Is she pretty? Wow. She looks like one of those dolls. Man, she's actually pretty. You know, like those Japanese dolls. Are we in Japan? Ooh, I wonder if I fall onto them, what would happen? Ooh. Nice. Man, May is so skilled. She's like Nathan Drake. Oh, look at that pie. I don't like pie. I like pineapple, not pineapple pie. What's that other? Pumpkin pie. Oh, I'm in a restaurant. What if like May's actually a mouse, you know, in a restaurant? Huh? How'd you get onto that chair, buddy? Look at your little feet. Can I grab your feet? Yeah. You eat that steak. That's extra rare. Whoa, man. Whoa. Holy crap. Look how chubby he is. Oh my gosh, man. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's terrifying. Whoa. I don't know where I'm going, man. Do I have to climb that? No way. Okay, so I have to climb that, climb onto that, and then jump across. This is awesome. Look how chubby she is. Look at her little stumpy hands. I would laugh if her chair broke. Please break. Oh, I love this scene. I feel like I have to swing on that, but I'm gonna see what else is going on here. Man. Hey, hot. Oh, I seen a little guy. There we go. I seen ya. There you are. There you go, buddy. Okay, I have to go back, I'm guessing. Yeah. What's that? Is that like a women's sign? What is that? Is that me? I feel like I should not be up here. Okay. Oh, that is me. That was me. Okay. So I don't get where I have to go in here. Okay, well I'm gonna swing up to that stool. Tarzan style. No? Guess I'm not supposed to go up there. Huh. There's no other place for me to go except in there. Right? Probably missing something super simple. Okay, well there's nothing in here. What do you think? Get what's his name that starts with a G that isn't Gary? Gandalf? What do you think, Gandalf? Where are we going? Where are we going, man? Okay, well, I'm gonna climb up on the table and see what happens. So if this is wrong, sorry guys. Ooh, I think I have to climb up somewhere. Oh, well. Well, I got messed up. I got eaten by a lady. Oh, I think I have to climb up there. And then all the way up. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Why can't I just swing onto here? Oh, because the chair's underneath the table. Okay, I see. I'll have to do that again. I'm coming, Gandalf. There's not many names that start with a G, is there? Oh, you're already good. Okay. Gary. That's the only, like, male name that I can think of. Get. Gondola. Oh, crap. I just want to throw it at you. Oh. Oh, whoa. Oh my god, man. Those skills. Those juking skills. See that? See that? Oh, son of a bitch. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing here. I thought I was supposed to go up there. Oh. I wonder if I can pull this and make him fall. He just squishes me. Okay, well, let's figure this out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was going the right way. It's like, oh. Oh crap. Almost got eaten by the lady. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, son of a bitch. He ate me. He actually ate me. Well then. Oh wait, can I climb up the sausage? No. That's what she said. Clever jokes. Alright, Gandalf. Whoa! With authority. Gandalf just be like Super Craig right there. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Hey, what's going on here, man? I have to climb up there? That looks like something to climb, right? There we go. There we go. I wonder if I'm gonna see the pretty lady again. Alright. Whoa. Who would eat that, man? Ooh, can I throw this? Alright. I'm gonna name them because they're adorable. That's Wendy. That's Gerald. That's another G name. Gerald. And that's Kenny. And that's Mortimus. Oh, and that's Carl and Saint Nicholson's. Where the hell am I going? Do I have to climb over there? Logically speaking, that would make sense. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go parkour. Da-da-da. Okay. Didn't look right way. Whoa. Look at them tubbies. Come on, Wendy. There we go. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. Oh, what's that? Can I pull this out? Oh. I could pull that little thing out. Oh, okay. Well, this isn't, they can't fit through here, can they? Heh. Alright. Oh, snap. Oh, God. They're fast, but slow. Da-da-da-da. Crap. Son of a bitch, I forgot the crawl button. I just ran into the wall. And I got an achievement as that happened that said elusive. I didn't eluce anything. All I did was eluce the game. Get it? Because I lost. Yeah. Not one of my finest minutes. Okay, wham! Okay, come on. Come on, you look like a chipmunk. Da-da-da-da. You know, Indiana Jones would be, uh-oh. Crap, I forgot how to run. Son of a bitch. Indiana Jones would be impressed. I bet this is Indy's kid. Yeah. Okay, I need to remember what button's which. Okay, so that's run, that's slide. Okay. Ugh. Stupid soda. Damn. Don't worry, buddy. I've done that before. I've accidentally banged my head on stuff. Da-na-na-na. Wah. There we go. I want to see the pretty lady. Oh, there's a... Uh-oh. 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 I'm gonna get caught. Son of a bitch. Okay, I hope I start right there. Oh, I do. Okay. Can I climb this? No, of course not. Why would I? Hey, how'd you scare me? There we go. Just take your dump and leave, sir. Now that would be messed up if we had to watch him take a dump. Oh. Is that a hint? I also saw one of those dolls I need to get. So... And look, there's me. Hey me. How's it going? Okay. Huh? Oh, wait, do I have to climb this? God damn it. Wait, is this an opening? No. What am I doing? Okay, let's see. Try and jump onto it. I'm not crazy, I swear. Stupid thing. Okay, well. I guess that's not where I'm supposed to go. Let's climb a toilet. And then... Whoop. I was gonna jump to the sink. Whoop. I gotta get up there somehow. Oh, wait. Can I climb this? Get out of the way. Get out of the way, toilet paper. No? Can I move this? What's anything? What's that? Well, okay. Okay. Well, this, not panning out to how I expected it to. Maybe I can jump on this toilet. No? Okay. No? I'm probably doing something really stupid. I thought it was this, because why else would it fall down? You know? Nope. Oh, wait. I get it. If only I were smarter. But like 5 seconds ago and did that. No? I'm guessing I have to climb this thing. Okay. Yeah, let's go, May. You make that progress. Squeeze through this. How terrifying would this be? Like, what if May's a real size and all these people are just weird? Chop, chop, chop. Oh, son of a bitch. Well. That sucked. Aw, are you kidding me? I'll start from here. I was trying to get to that doll. How does he see me? That's what I want to know. I should have let him know I was here. Okay, he knows I'm here. Kinda looks like a giant baby. Slam the door. Alright. I wonder if a toilet paper roll could work. That's what I want to know. Nope. Then why would this freaking light can work? Oh. There we go. And here. Alright. There we go. Okay, so the thing is, I really want that doll. So I'm gonna like try not to fall. Oh, these skills, man. Oh god. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Let's go. Chop, 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 chop. I feel like this is kind of a weird angle. Holy crap, man! You see that? Oh god, my finger's slipping off the trigger. Okay, there. Wowza. This is cool, man. Oh, they actually got through. Uh-oh. What the hell am I doing? Oh, shit. Okay. I was supposed to climb up there, wasn't I? Oh, no, I wasn't. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Oh. Fatty fell. I think I got tired while running. Okay. Wake up, May. It's no time to be sleeping on the job. And there we go. I'm kind of worried that she's gonna keep getting tired, so I'm like, there we go. I don't know how, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Man, for, like, tubbies, they're, like, really quick, man. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's supposed to be that she gets tired there. Oh, I thought I missed that. I really did. Hey, look, it's a hat. I want to see the pretty lady, man. That's all I want to see. Oh god, I'm hungry again. Goddamn Taco Bell. Making me hungry and nauseous at the same time. You know, I actually like Taco Bell. They're what's those things? Those, like, octagon things, you know? You know what I'm talking about? It's got, like, lettuce and meat inside. Those are good. I forget what they're... A something supreme. Something like that. Oh, look. Sausage. Can I have that sausage? Can I, please? Oh, thank you, man. Oh. 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 But I don't want to play anymore. I liked Nomi. And I ate Nomi. Stupid May. You could have ate that sausage. Now I'm mad. I don't like May. She's grounded. Now, who's gonna help you out? Cause they ain't gonna like you anymore. Heck, I don't like you right now. Oh, it's a pretty lady. I want to see you, pretty lady. Wait. I don't care if I get caught. I just want to see you. Aww. If she turns out to be ugly, I'm gonna be sad too. I mean, everything's disappointing me today. What? Where am I going? Oh, I need the button. Do I need to hit the button with this? Almost. Pick that up. Hit. There we go. Man, can't believe she ate our gnome friend. Oh. The guest area. That was a cool area, I'm not gonna lie. Still mad at May. I want to see the pretty lady. Oh, pretty lady. Ooh. The only pretty lady in this entire game. If she turns out to be ugly, like I said, I'd be super upset. There's a lock over there. Ooh, she sings. She even sounds pretty. A little bit creepy. I don't care if I get... Oh. She's still pretty to me. Alright. Well, I just wanted to see what she looks like. I'm gonna call that a night. And, yeah. Yeah. Gonna call that a night. I said I wanted to talk a lot, but then I completely forgot what I was going to talk about as soon as I started. Ain't that funny? That's how it always works. I'm stretching, and yeah, thanks guys for watching. I guess I will see you guys in the next episode. I'll be sure to upload more frequently, although I say that now, but I don't know. I love uploading, and it's a lot, huge stress relief doing this, you know? It's a lot of fun. Anyway, so, I'll try my best. And yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.